With the likes of Starbucks switching from paper-wrapped plastic straws to plastic-wrapped paper straws, I fixed the problem entirely, and I got myself metal drinking straws. I never knew such a thing existed. I saw that and I said, wow, that's kind of cool. Now they're pre-bent. You can't bend them any further. Let me take them out of the package here. Now why they would make something like this is really beyond me. But it is a metal drinking straw. They're actually pretty rugged. You can't bend it if you try to, unless you really want to snap it. You know, pretty nice. Opening, I've seen bigger. But I'm sure it certainly will work. But of course, the problem is something like this you do need to wash. And they include these little bottle brushes, if you will. Why 3 of them with 8 straws? I don't know. 4 would make more sense, but they give you 3 little brushes with a little tip on there so it doesn't scratch the inside. Not that anybody's looking. And they fit way in, no problem. They don't really make the bend, so if you're that concerned, I don't know. But some people really love to save the planet. I didn't buy these to save the planet. I bought them because they're unique. So anyway, I just thought that was interesting. Here's some water I've been drinking. Put a straw in it, which isn't quite long enough for this tall cup, but it certainly works. Tastes like China. So there you go, folks. Metal drinking straws. What won't they think of next? I really don't know. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you hit subscribe. And why not? We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.